Cool. They're finally learning.
Darcy's having fun.
No.
What's the surprise? Oh, look. Wow, lots of pictures. Does it say what it is on there?
See if you could tell.
Just a sec.
I thought it was cash.
No, sorry.
So were you lying to me when
Oh, so
I asked you if you knew it was a boy or a girl?
Uh-huh.
Well, and boy.
No.
What the other girl? Top-turning, top-turning.
It's a boy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a boy.
I think Caden said that too, didn't he?
3 boys.
Look.
Oh, okay.